REEMKIZZ Dehumidifier Review. The REEMKIZZ Dehumidifier features built-in night light. For an RV, a device that comes with built-in night light is a great thing. You can create ambience in your motorhome without needing to install anything else. Size. Even with the amazing night lights, the REEMKIZZ Dehumidifier is still a pretty compact RV dehumidifier. Its exact dimensions are 8.8 by 6 by 12.3 inches. Noise level. One of the best things about the REEMKIZZ Dehumidifier is that it offers silent operation. This RV dehumidifier is rated at 35 decibels. With a dehumidifier this quiet you would not even notice that it is on. Automatic features. The REEMKIZZ Dehumidifier has got quite a few of those. As stated above, the REEMKIZZ Dehumidifier features automatic defrost. Other than that, it also features auto shut-off which is triggered when the dehumidifier water tank is full. You can also set this RV dehumidifier to turn off after a specific time duration, for example, 8H, 12H, 24H,